Hi, so my name is Rahil Mujahid and I am a Microsoft Certified Solution Architect Expert and Certified Security Engineer. So in this video, we will discuss about AZ900. Like what exactly you need to know before appearing for the AZ900 examination, which is kind of an entrance level examination if you want to start your career in Microsoft Azure. But before that, I would request you to subscribe the channel because I will keep uploading the videos on Microsoft certification and how you can start your cloud journey, how you can create an awesome career in Microsoft Azure, or you can say in cloud computing. So let's start it. So let me tell you one thing, AZ900 is all about basics of Microsoft Azure. So if you are aware about cloud computing, right, if you are aware about infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, right, if you know these terminologies, then you can easily pass out the certification, because the question would be something like that, how you gonna define infrastructure as a service and which services falls under the infrastructure as a service or maybe platform as a service. So let's take an example like a virtual machine. So no matter if you're going to use AWS and Azure and Alibaba Cloud, virtual machine will always be a part of infrastructure as a service, right? So if you are aware about the basic whatever we use in cloud computing, that is regions, availability set, what is geography, so yes, you can make it happen. You can easily crack AZ900 examination. So now let's talk about Azure. So you must know the basic services provided by the Azure. For example, what is virtual network and what is subnet, right? How you gonna configure the virtual network, right? So these kind of concept you should know before going for the AZ900 examination, right? So there will be no practical part, right? There will be no lab. Everything will be in theory. You need to do is just to select the MCQs, right? So they will give you some choices and you have to choose one, right? So if I talk about the level of examination, so as I mentioned, this is very easy, right? So you can just take it as a beginner's level examination. So no matter if you are from any kind of marketing department, or if you are from the sales department, if you want to start your journey, in cloud computing or in Microsoft Azure, so this certification is for you, right? So if you are new in cloud computing, if you are new in Azure, then obviously you should know the basic concept of cloud and how Microsoft Azure works, how many services Azure is providing, right? What is the exact use of these services, right? So if I talk about certification, then obviously before going for the AZ900, you don't need to have any kind of experience, any kind of hands-on experience. All you need is theoretical knowledge, right? So if I talk about the pricing part, so it would cost you around 4,800 in India, right? And which is like plus whatever tax they will include. So after adding the tax part, it will cost you around 5,600, right? And the timing you would get to pass the certification is around 85 minutes. So yes, this is more than enough, right? As I mentioned, everything will be in MCQs. So yes, I just passed out the certification in max to max 9 minutes, right? So yes, if you have the basic understanding of Microsoft Azure, how cloud computing works, you can easily crack this certification. So if you like the video, you can subscribe the channel right now, because I will keep uploading the videos on certification, whether it is on Azure or Alibaba and AWS, right? If you want to connect with me, you can always follow me on LinkedIn. I have dropped the link in the description.